ASP handcuff cases are custom designed and handcrafted to perfectly fit our revolutionary Ultra Cuff restraints as well as earlier ASP Flex Cuff models. They're robustly built of premium materials made to secure and protect your cuffs, yet assure fast access when you need them. Most ASP cases feature our exclusive Snap Lock belt clip. It's adjustable to fit any duty or dress belt or molly gear. It slips on without having to unthread any of your other equipment, and it locks closed. You'll also find a spare cuff key in its own storage pocket. Most cases are available in your choice of black leather, basket weave, high-gloss ASP Tech, or ballistic, so you can find a case to professionally complement your uniform or your personal preference. I'll give you a very quick overview of the case styles we have to offer, and you can check the detailed specs online or at your ASP dealer. Centurion cases completely enclose a single pair of cuffs with a full cover flap that snaps closed. The tactical case is also fully enclosed, but with a self-adjusting hook and loop flap. Duty cases feature elastic sidewalls and hook and loop flap, and double cases have the same elastic side design, but room for 2 sets of cuffs. Next, we have investigator and federal cases, which offer the popular open-top pull-through design. And last but not least, the combo case, which efficiently carries a pair of ASP cuffs alongside a friction lock or Talon baton, a perfect solution for plainclothes work.